How to delete your Lyft account. Let's get started. Launch your Lyft app. Now, at the top left corner, you're gonna find 3 bars. Click on that. Different options will appear. Navigate to the option of Help. Now, head over to the option Profile and Account. Click on Edit Profile or Account. Click on the option Delete My Account. Once you're in this page, click on this option How to delete your Lyft account. Then click on this purple option Delete My Account. You'll be directed to the login page. Now go ahead and type in your Lyft account's credential. You'll need to log in with the Lyft account that you want to delete. Now you'll be receiving code in the phone number that you have just entered. Type in that code over here. You'll get 2 options, download data or delete account. Select the option of your choice. I'm gonna select delete account. Click on start. Now click on this drop down and select the reason why do you want to delete your account. Click on next. Now in this box type in delete and click on delete account. With that, your account will be scheduled for deletion. After completion of 30 days, your account will be deleted permanently. So this way you can easily delete your Lyft account. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.